I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker and a 1/4 pound hamburger patty. The question is, can we get this hamburger to brown or sear in this Dash egg bite maker? Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. I've made quite a few videos with this Dash egg bite maker, and every time I've used this appliance, I've never been able to actually brown meat in it. Like, it'll cook meat, but it won't nicely brown it. I've never been able to get a nice sear on the meat because it is my belief that this appliance does not get hot enough to do that. The Dash mini griddle gets hotter than this Dash egg bite maker does. So today I thought we'd try an experiment and see if we can actually get some kind of browning or searing going on with this hamburger. Now, in the past, I've made a hamburger in this egg bite maker and I've kept the lid down the majority of the time, and that did not brown at all. It cooked the meat, but there was no browning because all of the liquid stayed in the Dash egg bite maker. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it with the lid open, and we'll see if we get some browning if we do that. So the blue light just went off, and now I'm going to put the hamburger in the egg bite maker. And I just set a stopwatch. So I'll be back in about 3 minutes to check on it. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's take a look at what's going on in here. There's definitely cooking going on. There's no browning going on. It's cooked, but there's no browning. So let's flip that back over, and I'm going to check it in another 5 minutes. It's been a total of 10 minutes now, so let's flip this over again. Let's see if there's browning going on. Am I starting to see just a hint of browning, maybe? So let's turn it over and cook it for like another 5 minutes. It has been 16 minutes now, so let's flip this over again and see what's going on. Not seeing a whole lot of browning. Just a tiny, tiny bit around here. Now, I should also mention that this ground beef is 93% lean. So let's turn it over again and continue to cook it. So what happens with this appliance is that the heat cycles on and off. So I'll hear it sizzling for a while, like it is right now. And then the sizzling calms down because the heat cycles off. It's been a full 20 minutes now, so let's see what's going on. All right, look at this. I'm seeing a little bit of browning in the middle now. 20 minutes to get some browning on this hamburger. So let's cook the other side for, I don't know, 5 minutes, and we'll check the other side. We'll see if we get a little bit of browning going on the other side as well. It's been 5 minutes on the second side now. Let's see what's going on. All right, it looks like we have a little bit of color going on around the edges. So let's turn this back over and continue cooking the other side. It's been a total of a little bit more than 25 minutes right now. So by the time I get browning on both sides of this hamburger, I could just imagine how well done it's going to be. Now it's a total of 10 minutes on the second side. Let's see what's going on. All right, so we got a little bit more browning going on. And I'm going to say this hamburger is done because we're not going to get any browning on the inside here because it's kind of concave. And on the other side, we got a little bit of browning like in the middle, but we're not getting it around the edges again because it's kind of like curved. So let's just take this out. We did get some browning. It's been a total of 31 minutes just to cook a hamburger. Here's the hamburger with some browning going on. Let's cut this in half. And let's see what's going on inside. Yeah. This is really well done. So in order to get some browning on the outside of a hamburger in the Dash egg bite maker, you really have to cook it for a long time. This is definitely well done. And even though there is some browning on the outside, I'm not getting any crispiness from this hamburger. And so that's how long it takes to brown a hamburger in a Dash egg bite maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.